guys, welcome to today's math lesson. Okay, I have a joke. Owen sent me a joke. Okay guys, what is the healthiest insect? Vitamin B. That was a good one, Owen. Hey guys, if you got more jokes, send them my way. Okay, so today we're gonna learn about money. So our I can statement is I can recognize the value of coins and count up to find their total values. Okay, I have a video, and I know that when I play a video, sometimes we have a really hard time hearing the audio. So I also have it on my phone ready to go. I'm hoping I can get it lined up pretty closely.
Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Let's learn. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Let's learn. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Here is a penny, and this is what it looks like.
Penny, penny,
A penny is worth.
1 cent,
A penny is worth.
1 cent,
Here is a nickel, and this is what it looks like.
nickel, nickel,
A nickel is worth.
5 cents,
A nickel is worth.
5 cents,
Here is a dime, and this is what it looks like.
dime, dime,
A dime is worth.
10 cents,
Dime is worth.
10 cents,
Here is a quarter, and this is what it looks like.
quarter,
Quarter is worth.
25 cents,
A quarter is worth.
25 cents,
Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Let's be friends.
All right. So we are going to review real quick what we just learned from Mr. Jack Hartman. So up top here, we have our first coin, and that is a penny. And how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. I don't have the cent symbol on my keyboard here. 1 cent. Okay. And a cent, this is what it looks like. And actually, maybe I'll just write it here. When you write cents, you write a C with a line through and it comes after. All right, so what is this coin? This is a nickel. And how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. And our cent symbol comes after our number. Right here, what do we have right here? This is a dime, and how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. And then back up top here is our biggest coin that we will be working with. And it is a quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? $0.25, yes. Good job. Okay. So now when we count money, we count either by, if we're counting pennies, we count by ones. If we're counting nickels, we count by fives. If we're counting by dimes, we count by tens. And if we count by quarters, we're gonna count by 25s. We are gonna be working in second grade. We work with coins up to $1. And $1 looks like this. It has an S with 2 lines through it, a 1, a period, and then 2 zeros after that. That means it is $1. And $1 is equal to, means it is worth 100 cents. So $1 is the same as 100 pennies, 20 nickels, 10 dimes, or 4 quarters. So we're gonna kind of look at that. So how many are needed to make $1? So let's go ahead and skip count here. So when we count our quarters, I already told you guys that we're gonna need 4 quarters, but it looks like this. We have 25, 50, 75, and you can either say $1 or 100. I'm gonna write $1 right here. So when we count quarters, when we have 1 quarter, it's 25. When we have 2 quarters, it's 50 cents. When we have 3, it's 75 cents. And when we have 4, it's a whole dollar. Now guys, go ahead and count with me. For dimes, we're counting by 10, because remember, dimes are worth 10 cents. And our dimes are actually gonna be our smallest size-wise coin. So let's go ahead and count by tens. You guys ready? We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And remember, we said 100 cents is the same thing as $1. And I should have told you guys this before. Right now, I'm just showing you the front and the back of those coins so you can see what the front and the back looks like. Okay, now for nickels, we're gonna count by what? 5s, because it's 5 cents. So we're gonna need 20 nickels to make $1. So let's go ahead and make sure that Mrs. Reed's right. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So when we are looking at our nickels, it's 20 nickels, 10 dimes, and I did not have enough room, guys, to do 100 pennies, because pennies are worth 1. So you're just gonna count by 1 all the way up to 100. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna pull out some coins. We're gonna mix them together, and we're gonna count how many we have all together, okay? So let's see here. I'm gonna pull out, look, 1 quarter first, 1 dime, and 1 nickel. So we would always start with 25. And then we have our 10. So 25 plus 10, 25, 35, and then we have plus 5 more. What's 35 plus 5? Equals 40. So you don't have to write all of this out. You do not need to write all of this out. Here's how you can count it. 25, 35, 40. You guys can just start skip counting, but here's where it's going to get tricky. So at the beginning, you might need to write it out because we're mixed skip counting. We're counting by 25s, by 10s, by 5s, and then we're going to start adding some 1s in there. Okay, let's try a different one. All right, let's try this one. 1 quarter, 2 nickels, and 1 dime. Okay, so I'll keep writing them out for right now. 25, how much is a nickel worth? Let's go back and check. 5. So 5, 5. How much is a dime worth? 10. So my 2 nickels here, I can combine them like my 5 plus 5. I know that makes 10. What's 10 plus 10, guys? 20. So now we have 20 plus 25. Well, if I know that 25 plus 25 equals 50, then I can figure out that 25 plus 20 would equal 45, or count by 10, 25, 35, 45. So we have 25, 30, 35, 45 here. Let's try a different one. Okay, I have 25, 10, 1, and 1. So I have a quarter, dime, penny, penny. So 25, 35, 36, 37. And remember, when I write my cents, I write a C after it with a line right through it. 37 cents. Let's try 2 more examples this way. Let's see here. Let's do okay, so remember, when we count, oh, wrong one, 2 quarters, 25, 50. We got 25, 50 are right here. These are dimes, so they're 10. This is a nickel, so it's 5. So we have 25, 50, 60, 75. We have 75 cents. All right, one more example and we'll move on. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so we have 25, 25, because those are called, what are they called? Quarters. We have 10. What's this coin called? A dime. I have 5, 5. That's a 5 there, guys. And 5. What are those coins called? Nickels. And then we have a penny, and that's worth 1. So 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77. 77 what? 77 hippopotamus? No, 77 cents. Make sure, you guys, it's important, just like when we were doing our measurement unit at the beginning of the year, how we needed to include our cm or our m for centimeters and meters. Same thing here. You need to include your symbol, your cent symbol. Okay, so I'm going to show you something that will look like the the back of your problem set. We're just gonna kind of practice right now. And then we'll do your problem set. We'll do 2 on the front together and we'll do 2 on the, or I think 4 on the back together. Okay, guys? I know money is new for us, so I'm gonna kind of do a lot with you guys with this. Okay, so remember, as you're practicing, as you're getting used to it, it's okay, right over top of them. 25, 25, so this way you're at least identifying your coins first. So I know those are quarters, they're the biggest ones. They're 25 cents each. This is a dime, it is worth 10 cents. This is a nickel, it is worth 5 cents. And then I have my penny and my penny. Now, sometimes they're gonna try to trick you on your problem set. They're gonna either show you the back or the front of the coin. That's why I was trying to show you guys both sides of the coin. If you need to go like move the video back when you guys are doing your problem set so you can see the coins and their name and their value, that is a fantastic idea. All right, so let's go ahead and count. We have 25, 50, 75, 85. I always start biggest first and then count up. It's easier if you start bigger, trust me. So let's do that again. 25, 50, 75, 85, 90, 91, 92. I have 92 cents. Remember, don't forget your symbol. Okay, again, let's go through and identify our coins. We have a quarter and it is worth 25. These 3 guys here are my dimes and they are worth 10. All right, kiddos, what are these 3 right here? Nickels, and how much are they worth? 5. All right, remember, always start with our biggest coin. And I'm not talking size-wise, I'm talking value, the bigger numbers. So we have 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 65, 70. And 70 what? Rainbows. No, 75 cents. Okay, again, while you guys are still new with this, let's identify the coins. So this is a quarter and it's worth 25 cents. Whoop, that is a big old 5. This right here is a dime and it is worth 10 cents. This is a nickel and it is worth 5 cents. This is a penny and it's worth 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents, nickel, 5 cents, nickel, 5 cents. And then we have, look here, another dime. All right, let's start with our bigger values. And what I did up top here is I crossed them off as I was counting them. That's a good strategy to use too. So I've got 25, 35, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 61. I have 61 cents. Okay, whew. Let's identify again. So this is a quarter and it is 25. This is also a quarter, it's 25. What is this right here? Dime and it is 10. What are these copper color ones? Pennies and they are 1 cent. And these are nickels and they are worth 5 cents. Remember, start their bigger values. 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73 cents. All right, guys, go ahead and pull out your problem set. Pull out your problem set. And it will look like this lesson 6 problem set. Okay, so let's do the first two on the front of that page together. Again, remember, go ahead, write the value right inside that coin. So this is a nickel and it is worth 5 cents. All right, these are pennies and they are worth 1 cent. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 what? Can I leave it like that? 8 cents. Okay, what is this coin? A dime, and it is worth how much? 10 cents. These again are pennies and they're worth 1. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And don't forget your cent symbol. 14 cents. Okay, if you need a pause to get caught up on the front, those first two, go ahead. When you're ready, unpause the video and then flip it over to the back of your problem set. And then we're going to do the first 4, 8, 9, 10, and 11 together. Okay, let's stick with identifying our coins. This is the back of a coin, and look at that building. Let's go back up here. Which one has that same building on the back? A nickel. Yes. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. So I know those are the same, so I'm going to put a 5 on here. And this is a dime, so that is worth 10 cents. Remember, always start with your bigger one. 10, 15, 20. 20 cents. Okay, right here we have our pennies and they are worth 1 cent. Look right here. What are these two? They're the same coin, just one's the front, one's the back. It's our nickel and it is worth 5 cents. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12. And 12 cents. Okay, let's go on to number 10. So these right here are the same coin, just this is the back and that's the front. What are those? A dime, and it's worth how much? 10 cents. That's my nickel, and that is 5. And then our pennies are 1. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. 27 cents. Okay, last one with me, guys, and you can work on the back, the rest of the back, and the rest of the front of this problem set. So right here we have our quarter, and a quarter is worth 25. Here's my dime. How much is my dime worth? 10. And my pennies are worth 1. So we have, whoa, sorry guys, 25, 35, 36, 37 cents. I don't know what happened. All right, guys, finish up the front and back of this. If you guys send me a picture of your money, I will put your name in for a green ticket drawing with Mrs. Ayler. All right, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.